Chef Buck here, and today we're going to throw together a quick and delicious energy snack, man. This is a lemony coconut cashew energy snack. Super easy. It'll put some pep in your step. Baby, what's wrong?
I'm so tired.
Oh, I can fix that, baby. Two cups of raw cashew nuts. Now we're going to blend these up. Alrighty, now we're going to put some dates in. These are pitted dates. About a cup or whatever's left in the bag. Okay, now we're going to blend the dates up in here. So there are our dates and our cashew nuts. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Maybe a heaping tablespoon of coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A little bit of salt. Alrighty. A lemon, we're going to zest it. And we're going to mince it up nice and fine. Now, put the juice of 1 lemon in here. And we've got all of this stuff in here. We're going to mix it up. Get some coconut flakes. And we're just going to ball them up. Roll it in your coconut flakes. Honey.
Yeah. What is it?
It's a cashew lemon energy ball.
Thanks, Chef Buck.
Ding. Alrighty, in this recipe we'll make about a dozen or maybe even 20. Depending on how big you make them, you know. So make them whatever size you want. You can make them into a kind of golf ball size. You can make them as big as grapes, you know, whatever you want to snack on. A cashew, lemon, coconutty, energy, natural thingamabobs. Make them, put them in the fridge, and instead of eating the Reese's peanut butter cup, you know, just grab one of these. And, you know, you can get a Reese's later.